Hey everyone, Paige here with CLIPCHAMP, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily create an intro for your YouTube channel using one of our pre-made video templates. The very first thing you're going to want to do is select your template. Then once you have the base of your template, you can go ahead and change it any way you'd like. So head over to the templates tab here on the left, and I'll just expand this one out here for a better view. We have a huge range of categories to choose from, but for this video, we're heading into the YouTube template category. But you could also look through the intro, outro category if there's something else that you're after. Next, it's as simple as hovering over the template for a preview, and they're all titled like this so that you can see if they're the intros or the outros, and there's usually matching intros and outros for consistency across your channel. Next, once you've found the one that you want to use, in this case, we're going to go with this one here. Just click on this plus button and that will load the template straight into your timeline. I'll just make this one smaller again, and now you can see here all of the assets are in the timeline, including the stock footage, the text, the stickers, and the music. Everything will also load into your media library here. So now I'll play the whole thing back to show you what the template intro looks like in full before I show you how to make a few edits and customize it. The next thing you'll have to do is make some small edits to the template to customize it to you and your channel. This could be as simple as adjusting the text to spell out your channel name and stopping there, all the way through to changing the font and the colors to suit your brand or adding in some filters. So to start off and change the text, scroll down into the timeline where you see the text bars and then select the first one here. It will highlight in green so that you know it's the right one, and then you're going to pop over to the right hand side and expand this sidebar. Now you'll see all of these options appear. The text option is where you'll type out whatever you want on the screen, and you can search through a huge range of our font options here, or you can even upload your own brand font to use. But for this one, I'm going to keep it the original font. The colors tab is where you'll change the text to any color you'd like, including your specific brand color code if you have one, and you can also add a background color to the text if you want. Then over here, you can reposition the text and resize it, or you can just click on the text bar in the stage and use the freehand tool to move it around or resize it. Lastly, chuck on a filter here if you'd like to, but I'll show you what that looks like in the next part of this tutorial. Now for this example, I'm going to keep it really simple and keep the font and the color the same, but I'm just going to customize what it's saying. So as I did before, I'll click into the first text bar here, and then I'll go up and type out my channel name. Then for the main text bar too, I'll just go and type out my channel name. And for these two, I'm going to keep them the same, but for this one here, I'm going to change it to the title of the video like this. And that's all done. Now playing that back, you can see I've customized an intro for my YouTube channel in under a minute. Now you can stop there if you're completely happy with the intro and the template is customized how you like, but the one final thing I'll show you in this example is how to quickly add a filter onto the stock asset to give it just a bit more of an effect. So as before, head into your timeline and click on the asset. In this case, we're going to use the bottom one here. Then in the right sidebar, you'll be in filters. Now there are a huge range of filters to choose from. For example, you could use this one, which would add a glitch effect to the end of the intro, but I'm going to go with this glass effect here to really highlight the channel name and make it pop and stick out. And it's as simple as that. The very last thing you'll want to do is export your intro by heading over to the export button, selecting your video quality, and then once it's complete, it automatically saves to your device. Now, just quickly, as I mentioned before, you can also find the matching outro template to use by creating a new video and heading back into the templates tab, finding the matching outro, editing anything you want or keeping it simple and the same, and then exporting. And that is how you can create an intro or an outro for your YouTube channel with CLIPCHAMP. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for our weekly how-to videos.